Welcome to qnawire.
All right, we're doing this problem about blood alcohol concentration, and the first thing we want to do is use the given information to find the exponential decay model. So the given information is that the person starts with a 0.6 milligram per milliliter blood alcohol concentration, and we know the half-life is 1.5 years. Now, with all the other half-life problems we've done so far, they've all fit into this kind of mold, where we have a starting amount, y naught, an ending amount, y, and we have the half that stands for cutting the substance in half to the n power, where n is the number of times it's been cut in half, the number of halvings, or halvings, however you'd like to say that. And the way we find the number of halvings is we take the amount of time that has elapsed and divide it by the half-life. For example, suppose that 3 hours had elapsed. 3 divided by 1.5 would be 2, so that tells us it would cut in half 2 times. So if we take this general equation and we substitute our specific starting amount into it, we get our model that we're going to use for this problem. Okay, now that we have that model, we can graph it and we can figure out when you can drive home if the legal limit is 0.08 milligrams per milliliter. So we grab the calculator and we type in the function 0.6 times 0.5 to the x over 1.5 power, and we also type in the function y equals 0.08. That will give us a horizontal line at a height of 0.08, and we'll let that represent that legal limit. So for a window, I have chosen to go from x equals -1 to 10, and from y equals -0.1 to 0.5. And those numbers can be different. You just fiddle around until you find something that shows you a good view of your graph. So the exponential decay equation shows us the blood alcohol concentration level in blue, and in red we see the 0.08 level, and we want to find the point of intersection of those two. So we can go into the Calculate menu, choose number 5, Intersect, and then put the cursor on the first curve, press Enter, put the cursor on the second curve, press Enter, and move over toward the intersection point, press Enter. And here we see at the bottom of the screen that it's telling us 4.36, comma 0.08 is the intersection point. So what that means is 4.36 hours will elapse until the blood alcohol concentration is 0.08. 4.36 hours since midnight, that's about 4 something in the morning.